Here's my review for the Christmas shoes. It has a beautiful cover, and it's a beautiful book by Donna Van Lieri. If I said your name wrong, I apologize. But it's a song by New Song. That's the name of the Christian group that does it. If you've never heard the song, it might make you cry if you hear it. So you can look it up and look for it. But it's a really nice song. Basically, if you hear the song, it's like they basically turned the song into a book. So, but it's really nice. It's basically the story about a child doesn't have any money, and then he needs some shoes for the mom, and because the mom's gonna pass away. It's very very sad. It's like a sad story, but then at the end, it's like a happy, Christmassy type of ending. I don't want to spoil it, but definitely hear the song. If you like the song and you're like, wow, beautiful song, definitely check out the book. It's not a long book at all. This is the back. So as you can see, it's a pretty short book. So if you want something nice to read in Christmas that might make you cry, it might make you a little emotional, but it's touching, but it has like a redemptive theme to it. So it's nice. It's not just like all sad and everything's sad, but it's very nice, beautiful Christmas book. So hope you check it out and hope you enjoy it.